Hello and welcome. Today we will show you a new product. It is 3D puff heat transfer vinyl. When we think about 3D, we will talk about the 3D movie, 3D animation. So what they have in common is they look very three-dimensional. Okay, let's show you how to use our heat transfer vinyl. First, please prepare the items that we will use. A heat press machine, 3D puff heat transfer vinyl, a t-shirt, a computer, and a cutting plot. Actually, the procedure is very easy, the same as other heat transfer vinyl. At first, you should prepare a picture in your computer, or you can use your imagination to create your own personalized pattern and pick the color you like in the heat transfer vinyl. And for me, I like these 4 colors. Okay, let's use our cutting plot to cut the image that you wanted. When you are using the cutting plotter, please adjust the cutting knife according to the thickness of the heat transfer vinyl. After cutting, please remove the excess of the design. Then once your design is completely valid, it's time to press it. Put the t-shirt onto the heat press machine, then put the heat transfer vinyl. Please note that you need to set the time and degree in advance and preheat it. We use 155 degrees and 20 seconds. You can hot peel or cold peel, depends on you. Now the transfer is done. Let's take a close look at how much this puffs up. It can be seen that the stereo effect is very good. Even simple patterns can also present magic and beautiful effects and have a soft touch. Thank you so much for watching, and you can also search Vision on our YouTube to see more videos. See you next time. Bye.